the Worms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A14 for Boost Mobile. So the Galaxy A14 is now here. I don't know when they got released to Boost Mobile, because Boost Mobile has had an outage and it's been going on for over a week now. So I don't know when this one got released to Boost Mobile, but if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone on Boost, the Galaxy A14 could be worth taking a look at here. So it's available now. First $99.99 currently on sale. The full retail price of the Galaxy A14 is $199.99, so not bad. Y'all will get 64 gigabytes of storage, and the color option is black there. So yeah, very nice looking phone. It kind of looks like a Galaxy A13 from last year, you know. So yeah, so this is the Galaxy A14 right here. You guys can see the phone right there, front and back there. Of course, you guys get your I guess it's not gonna let me get a closer look at the phone there, but you guys got front and back. Right side of the phone has your power button, bang keys. You also have your fingerprint sensor, which is your power button. Your teardrop notch for your front facing camera there, a piece above that. Triple lens camera on the back, camera flash, Samsung logo there on the back. So yeah, left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot right here somewhere. And keep in mind, you do have a bit of a camera bump there on the back, so be mindful of that. There's the back of the Galaxy A14. It's your triple camera, camera flash, Samsung logo. There's front and back again. So it says here, a smartphone for a smart price. Galaxy A14 5G comes built with a large screen, an awesome camera, and all the essentials you need to stay connected at the speed of 5G. So it has a 6.6-inch display, 41 hours of talk time, Android 13 with One UI 5.1, and the 50 megapixel main camera on the rear. Features: okay. Says see everything you love in vibrant colors. Expand your view to the 6.6-inch Infinity V display on Galaxy A14 5G and see what you've been missing. Experience everything you love in vivid, high definition, and true to life colors with full HD plus display technology. Top 4 features of the Galaxy A14 5G: 6.6-inch full HD plus display, vivid viewing experience, 50 megapixel main camera, awesomeness, captured octa-core in 5G, powerful meets super fast, 5,000 mAh battery, long lasting fun. Alright, multiple ways to capture your world with triple lens camera. You guys will have them right there, labeled in order. Also on the top of the phone, you guys have on the top, on the back on the camera side, you guys have a 2 megapixel depth sensor with the f2.4 aperture. Then your main camera is in the middle there with 50 megapixels with f1.8 apertures, and then under that you guys have a 2 megapixel macro camera lens with an f2.4 aperture and lens, and then the front camera is a 13 megapixel front facing camera with f2.0 aperture. Alright, so that's pretty cool. It says multiple ways to capture your world with triple lens camera. It's just basically just went over the same thing I just went over. So that's kind of weird. Life's dear moments, capture and save. A14 5G is for all your favorite moments. The 50 megapixel main camera captures magnificent landscape photos. Depth camera adds stunning dimensions. Macro camera gets fine details, and front camera takes fabulous selfies. So that's pretty nice there. When powerful meets super fast. Galaxy A14 5G combines the octa-core processor with the 5G connection to provide the performance and speed you can count on. Enjoy smooth gaming and streaming, and download and share your favorite videos in a flash. Extend your memory with RAM plus. So that's pretty interesting. Says your Galaxy smooths your Galaxy smooths smooth your Galaxy smooths things out when you're short-handed with multitasking, providing you just an extra room needed. Keep up with the long-lasting battery. Focus more on living and less on charging. The 5,000 mAh battery tirelessly powers your day and night. Alright, so right next there, Galaxy Experience. Side fingerprint sensor, which is your power button. It says your security double checked by the side fingerprint sensor, accessible only by your fingerprint. One UI, like I said, this has One UI 5.1 with Android 13 on board. Give your Galaxy a look that's more you and make it function your way with One UI, right? Samsung members. Get tips and tricks to unlock your device's full potential, right? So y'all guys have 5G at your fingertips, of course. That's the main selling point of this phone, that it has 5G on the cheap. Experience your day virtually lag-free with 5G and the powerful processor of Galaxy A14 5G. Snap share-worthy selfies. Share-worthy selfies are just an arm's length away with the awesome front-facing with an awesome front camera of Galaxy A14 5G plus a triple lens back camera makes capturing high-res content a breeze. Say what matters most. That time at the beach, that night out with friends. Galaxy A14 5G holds on to your memories for you. Give your battery charger a break. Focus more on living and less on charging with a long-lasting battery. Specs. So y'all have a 6.6 inch Full HD Plus display, LCD display. That's nothing special. That's just your standard display. 90 Hz refresh rate. That's very nice. Infinity B display, Full HD Plus, which is very nice. 50 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth lens, 2 megapixel macro lens, and 13 megapixel front facing camera. 5,000 mAh battery, 15 watt wired charging, so that's pretty good. 64 gigabytes of ROM and 4 gigabytes of RAM. It has a MediaTek Dimensity 7000 octa-core processor. Type-C for charging. Android 13 with One UI 5.1. Dimensions is 6.60 inches height, 3.7 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. And the Galaxy A14 5G weighs 0.44 pounds. And you guys will also have adaptive 90 Hz with refresh rate with Infinity V Full HD Plus display, versatile camera experience with triple rear camera, expandable storage with micro SD card slot. What's included in the box is your Galaxy A14 5G smartphone, quick start guide with terms and conditions, some ejection pin, and your Type-C to Type-C cable. There is no charging brick in the box. You guys will have to provide your charger if you guys don't have one. So you guys will need a Type-C charger. So y'all guys will have to have a charger with a Type-C port on the charger. So yeah. So there you guys have it. Galaxy A14 is now here at Boost Mobile. Y'all all guys can get it for $99.99 currently on sale. It's $199.99 for retail price. So the phone looks very nice. It has great features and specs for what it is, a budget 5G smartphone. So if you guys are looking to get a 5G phone on the cheap, the Galaxy A14 is worth checking out here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you like somehow a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.